Join me as I dive into the latest stock insights and try to make sense of the market trends right now. Stock has been on many investors' radars lately, and for good reason. As a popular financial instrument, it's designed to provide a certain level of exposure to the semiconductor industry, but with a twist. Essentially, it allows investors to bet against the sector, making it a go-to for those looking to hedge their bets or speculate on a downturn. The thing is, the semiconductor industry can be pretty volatile, and stock often reflects that. Market fluctuations, global economic shifts, and even regulatory changes can all impact its performance. And let's not forget the role of investor sentiment. When people get nervous or greedy, it can lead to some pretty wild price swings. One of the biggest challenges with stock right now is figuring out which way the market is going to go. We've seen some pretty significant ups and downs in recent months, and it's left a lot of investors wondering what's next. Is the trend going to continue, or are we due for a correction? These are the kinds of questions that keep investors up at night. Adding to the uncertainty is the fact that the global economic landscape is changing rapidly. Trade tensions, interest rate hikes, and even geopolitical conflicts can all have a ripple effect on the market, making it tough to predict what's around the corner. And when it comes to stock, being able to anticipate these shifts is crucial. From a technical standpoint, stock has been showing some interesting patterns. Chart analysts have been pointing out certain trends and indicators that suggest a potential shift in momentum. But, as we all know, technical analysis can only take you so far. At the end of the day, it's the fundamental factors that drive the market. Market trends are also worth keeping an eye on. We've seen a lot of movement in the semiconductor space lately, with some major players making significant announcements and investments. These kinds of developments can have a big impact on stock, so it's essential to stay on top of them. Expert opinions are mixed, as they often are. Some analysts are bullish on the sector, citing long-term growth prospects and the importance of semiconductors in emerging tech. Others are more bearish, pointing to the potential for disruption and the risks associated with betting against a sector that's still got a lot of momentum. One insight that's been gaining traction is the idea that stock could be due for a significant move. Some analysts are predicting a major shift in the market, one that could catch a lot of investors off guard. If you're holding stock, or thinking about getting in, this is definitely something to keep in mind. The implications of such a move could be substantial. For investors, it could mean a chance to get in on the ground floor of a major trend, or it could mean significant losses if the market goes the other way. Either way, it's a reminder that staying informed and adaptable is key. Recapping, we've covered a lot of ground on stock, from its relevance in the current market to the challenges and uncertainties surrounding it. We've also explored some of the key factors influencing its performance and touched on a few expert insights. If you've got thoughts on stock or the semiconductor sector in general, I'd love to hear them. Leave a comment below and let's keep the conversation going. And if you're looking for more insights on related stocks or market trends, be sure to check out some of our other videos for more expert analysis.